AudioJungle.
Welcome to SCI Storm and our blockchain technology video. Today, we'll examine the fundamentals of blockchain in plain language for everyone. So let's get started. 01. What is blockchain? At its core, blockchain is like a digital ledger that stores information in a chain of blocks. Each block contains data, and these blocks are linked together, forming a secure and unchangeable chain. 02. Decentralization. What makes blockchain special is that there's no central authority governing it. Instead, it's maintained by a large community of users around the world. This decentralized nature ensures greater security and transparency. 03. How does it work? Imagine you want to make a digital transaction, like sending Bitcoin to a friend. When you initiate the transaction, it's put into a new block. But before it's added to the chain, miners compete to solve a complex mathematical puzzle related to the block. The first miner to solve it gets to validate the block, and it becomes a permanent part of the chain. 04. Who are miners? Miners are an essential part of the blockchain network. In the context of blockchain technology, miners are individuals or entities with powerful computers that perform the process of validating and adding new transactions to the blockchain. When someone initiates a transaction, like sending digital currency to another person, it is grouped with other pending transactions to form a new block. Before this block is added to the blockchain, it needs to be verified to ensure the validity of the transactions it contains. This is where miners come in. They compete to solve a complex mathematical puzzle related to the new block. This process is known as proof of work in many blockchain networks, like Bitcoin. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets the right to add the validated block to the blockchain. The process of mining serves two main purposes. 1. Security. The competition among miners to solve the puzzle requires computational power, making it difficult for any single entity to control the network. This distributed effort enhances the security of the blockchain. 2. Consensus. By validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain, miners ensure that all participants in the network have an agreed-upon history of transactions. This shared history forms the basis of consensus in a decentralized system. For their efforts, miners are usually rewarded with incentives, such as newly minted cryptocurrency tokens or transaction fees from the transactions included in the block. It's important to note that different blockchain networks may use different consensus mechanisms, and not all of them rely on mining. Some networks use alternative methods like proof of stake, proof of authority, or delegated proof of stake for transaction validation and block creation. Each consensus mechanism has its advantages and suits different use cases within the blockchain ecosystem. 05. Security. Blockchain's security comes from the way blocks are linked together. Once a block is added, altering any data within it becomes nearly impossible without altering every block that comes after it. This makes blockchain highly secure and tamper-resistant. 06. Transparency. Once a block is added to the chain, its information becomes visible to everyone in the network. This transparency ensures that all transactions are traceable and verifiable by anyone, enhancing trust. 07. Use cases. Blockchain isn't just for digital currencies. Its applications are vast. It can be used for supply chain management, voting systems, identity verification, and much more. Its versatility makes it a game changer in various industries. Blockchain technology is a groundbreaking idea that is revolutionizing how we trust and communicate online. It has the ability to change a number of facets of our life because of how decentralized, safe, and transparent it is. We hope that this video clarified some fundamental concepts of blockchain. Give it a thumbs up if you found it useful and think about subscribing for more educational stuff. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.